हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। राइट नाउ हम इन एम्बियंस मॉल गुड़गांव। अभी हाल में यहाँ पे ना एक लेगो का स्टोर खुला है। सो द थिंग इज दैट आई एम जीरो इनटू लेगो। मतलब मेरे पास ना टाइम बचता है ना एनर्जी लेगो बनाने की, बट आई नो हाउ पॉपुलर दे हैव बिकम, स्पेशली considering the fact that when I'm entering right now, you'll see that यहाँ पे आप लेगो के bricks देखो. So right now you can see that these are all made out of bricks. You see the Lego branding and all. This is the best part, like literally the best part. Dream for all the car guys out here. यहाँ पे आप देखो जो लेगो की नई रेंज आई है, Formula 1 cars, Red Bull, we've got Williams, Ferrari, Alpine, McLaren, then we've got Haas, Kick Sauber, Racing Bull, एंड we've got Aston Martin. तो सारी 10 की 10 गाड़ियाँ जो 10 टीम्स हैं फॉर्मूला 1 में, वो हमें मिल जाती हैं यहाँ पे. we've got the miniature like the same size as you saw below. This is the Red Bull, this is the Ferrari, and then beside that we've got the big one, the massive one, the huge one. This is the Ferrari, this is the big Ferrari, this is the big Red Bull, this is the mini Merc, and this is the big Merc. So yes, a proper full-fledged store now will come on this side. This is for the kids. तो आप देखो 1-1.5 साल के बच्चों के लिए जो डुप्लो रेंज होता है वो हमें यहाँ पे दिख जाता है. These are a few of these पैंडा हो गया, बाकी फिर अपने जो कैरेक्टर्स हो गए. I'm not too sure about these, but this is a camera, very nice camera I can see over here. More Lego sets over here. They've got a few blocks over here. One thing which I personally love about being a car guy is कि आजकल Lego गाड़ियों और मोटरसाइकिल्स के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहा है. यू चेक दिस आउट. दिस इज़ द Yamaha M10 SP. What a beautiful motorbike this is, and you look at the detailing, and the best part about this is that they have a lot of functioning parts. So we are really short on time. We'll just quickly look at other cars. Here we've got the Lambo, then beside this we've got a pair of BMWs. I'll be honest with you guys, the only thing which excites me in the expensive Legos are the moving parts. Otherwise these feel quite unrealistic. Over here we've got, I think this is a Camaro. Then beside this we've got another, the Racing Bull F1 car. Over here we've got the AMG SL63 AMG. We've got the G-Wagon, the Ferrari F40, the Paul Walker Nissan Skyline, and the Mustang Dark Horse. Really makes me wonder if the Ferrari F40 of Lego is as popular as the Hot Wheels one, or it's just warming the shelves. And lastly we've got a big one here. This is the Batmobile from the TV series, Batman the TV series, really popular in Hot Wheels also. This is quite big in size, maybe 1:8 scale. So this is pretty much it guys, short tour from the Lego store. Let me know how you find it. Thanks for watching.